Hey guys, welcome back to Garage Antics. As you can see, I finally got my Nismo LMGT2 wheels disassembled and ready to be converted to 3-piece. Some of you might remember that I bought these wheels a while back, earlier last year, with plans to put them on my Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo, and I was hoping that would have happened a lot sooner, but with COVID and a lot of other things, that got really delayed. But last night I took the time to get them all disassembled, and I've got all the barrels disassembled right here, and got the wheel faces taken apart. So my plans are to have these converted to 3-piece, so these old barrels for the 2-piece version will no longer be used, and instead I'll have 2 barrels. I have one inner barrel, one outer barrel. That way I can get whatever offset I want, and I can make sure that they fit right on my 300ZX, because before they were 17 by 9 and 16 offset, plus 16 offset, which didn't work at all for the car. So I'm actually going to do a staggered setup. I'm going to I'm going to get these stepped up to 18-inch, and they're going to be in the back. It's going to be probably around a plus 40 or so offset, and in the front it's going to be around a plus 35 or so offset. So that should give me a pretty flush fit. But I'm gonna go ahead and get these packed up, and I expect this process to take a few months. So by the time you actually see this video, the wheels will have been shipped off for a few months. So this is actually going to be this footage here is kind of old, but when you see the wheels on the car, it'll be fresh footage. But let's go ahead and get them packed up and get them ready to take to the wheel restoration company. All right. Okay, that took a lot longer than expected. Actually about a year instead of the 3 months that I originally planned, mainly due to COVID and our whole supply chain is getting totally screwed up. But I thought it would just take 3 months, ended up taking almost an entire 12 months. But I finally got them, and my girlfriend is so tired of hearing me talk about these wheels that I decided that I'm going to invite her to the unboxing.
Hi guys, your knife.
Okay, let's take a look.
He's been talking about this for 2 years. Every day, 2 years. The day is finally here.
Non-stop. Yeah,
wow.
these are perfect.
Yes. Ooh, careful with that.
Wait is finally over. This was the biggest test of my patience ever. So I kept the same finish. I didn't get them refinished. I just got new hardware put on and new lips and new barrels, and they've been resized to the offsets that should fit on my 300ZX.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, so let's get a closer look. As you can see, this is a staggered setup. I went with 18 by 10 for the rear with the plus 37 offset, and then I went with the 18 by 9 for the front with the plus 24 offset. And also these are all high disc wheels, so I should be able to clear a bigger brake set, because I definitely plan on upgrading the brakes in the future, because that's one of the weak spots in my car. I haven't been too happy with the brakes. Okay, I also got some new lug nuts, because I didn't want to use the factory lug nuts. They probably wouldn't really work too well with these wheels anyway. So I've got some McGard lug nuts. I got the McGard SplineDrive. I'm gonna check these out. These just came in a few days ago. reason why I got these lug nuts is because they have like a little washer on the bottom that keeps your wheels from getting scratched. So whenever I torque them down, I don't have to worry about scratching the powder coat on my wheels. That'll protect them. And also they come with a special SplineDrive adapter, so I don't have to worry about anyone having easy access to these wheels. It makes them a lot harder to get stolen, because I'm sure as a lot of you know, if you're already watching this video, that the Nismo logo wheels, whether it's the LMGT2, LMGT1, LMGT3, they're getting pretty valuable now, and I'm sure a lot of people will be looking to get their hands on a pair on the set, but I'm not letting them get mine. Okay, and also I do have the original raised center caps, but these are pretty hard to find also, probably even harder to find than the wheels. So I will not be running these. Instead, I bought a set of replica wheel locks that actually look even better than these. So I'm gonna run those instead, because I'll cry if I lose these, or if they get stolen. So I'm just gonna run replicas, and I'll keep these for display purposes only. Okay, so in the next video, I actually won't be putting the wheels on the car. I'm not quite ready yet. I still haven't gotten tires yet for them. And I also need to do some maintenance on the car. I need to replace the brake pads, and I also need to replace the shifter bushing. So the next couple of videos on the 300ZX will actually be more how-to videos, similar to the one with the 350Z window motor video, if you guys saw that one. This is just for you guys, you know, that are looking to do some maintenance yourself on your car. This should help you out a little bit. But by the time I get done with those videos, I should be ready to mount the wheels. And I don't expect too many issues. Like I said before, I did do quite a bit of research on offsets and sizes that'll fit a 300ZX. So I think at the most I may have to roll fenders, and hopefully I won't have to do that. But I definitely don't expect to have to just camber or anything like that. So I think things should go pretty straightforward, but you never know. But if you guys did like this video, please click on the like button below. And if you're enjoying the channel, please click subscribe. Every little bit helps, and I really appreciate you guys watching this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.